Well, I don't foresee any travel issues out and about this evening with just a few flurries between now and the next couple of hours. It will be overnight tonight that we get a slightly higher chance of a little bit of light snow. We're at 28 degrees and an Arctic front is plunging toward the area. And here's what you're going to be feeling. What's happening right now, cloudy skies, just a few flurries tonight. Anything that would try to accumulate, going to be less than a light dusting of snow. What is going to be new, though, we have light snow into the weekend, and that could bring some minor accumulations, just enough to get the snow shovels out. And then next week, a gradual warm up. But we're going to have to get through this first. I think this is going to be the biggest thing you're going to face through the weekend, how cold it's going to get. So Arctic front arrives tonight. By tomorrow morning, we're going to have temperatures dropping back to the upper teens and lower 20s. The wind chill factor already close to 0 by Saturday morning and through Saturday afternoon. We just don't warm up. We actually slide back into the teens. Wind chills stay in the single digits above 0. And by Sunday morning, this is when the coldest of the air arrives. And look at this. It could be double digits below 0 with that wind chill factor, with single digit lows into Sunday morning. So keep in mind, cold weather this weekend. Quick moving Clipper type system is going to work in the heels of a cold front that arrives tonight. There's winter weather advisories south of us, back into central and southern Indiana, southern Ohio. And look at this. It's a winter storm warning. If you have travel plans to take you down I-75, you get toward Dayton, that's about the area you're going to encounter some of the heaviest snow over the course of the weekend. They could get 3 to 6 inches of snow south of across the southern half of the state. We are in the upper 20s to near 30 right now, and our hour-by-hour forecast, couple flurries tonight into our Saturday morning. Better chance of snow is actually going to end up Saturday afternoon as that Arctic front works through, and that snow chance is going to be showing up south of Toledo, mainly along and south of the Ohio Turnpike is the better chance of it, and that's where I suspect our accumulations may be the greatest along the 224 corridor from Ottawa to Findlay toward Tiffin. That's where you're likely to get 1 to 2 inches of snow. That's exactly what our maps are showing. In the Toledo Metro, we're pretty confident it's going to be less than an inch of snow. You get across southern Wood County around an inch or 2, and this is the area that gets 1 to 2 inches south of Toledo. Matches up pretty close with our general smooth forecast. 1 to 2 inches of snow south of Toledo. If you're in the Toledo Metro, it is going to be less than an inch down into northern Wood County. For tonight, light snow. It's going to be less than half an inch of an accumulation. 22 is the overnight low. We essentially just fall through the day tomorrow from the low 20s back into the teens as light snow chances pick up into the afternoon. That light snow on Saturday will bring the minor accumulations near 20. That's it for the daytime high on Sunday. Overnight lows Sunday and Monday back in the single digits. Some sun peaks back into the area Monday and Tuesday. We begin to climb then. Low 30s on Tuesday, low 40s into Wednesday, and then highs could reach into the upper 40s as we get toward Thursday. And we're going to see temperatures will be warm enough, all in the form of rain as we get toward Thursday and into Friday, and then a little bit of cool down late next week, but highs will stay close to 40 degrees as we round out that 10-day forecast, which gets us then leading up and into Christmas week.
Hard to believe. Next week at this time, Christmas will be in that extended forecast.
It is, and it will be much warmer than we are right now. So the chances of a white Christmas may be melting away, even though we got snow in the forecast. Coming up in our 5:30 half hour, I'll break that down. What would the chance of a white Christmas would be this year?
All right, thanks, Chris.